Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last class, we have discussed P series test and the series of the form summation 1 by n power p is convergent if p is greater than 1 and it is divergent if p less than or equals 1. Okay, now let me discuss some examples on P series test. Okay, first one, test the convergence of the series 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus 1 by 5 into 6 plus and so on infinity. Solution, consider the first factors of the denominator 1 into 3 into 5 is here. First factors of the denominator 1, 3, 5 and so on. 1, 3, 5 and so on. Here this is AP. Here first term is A, that is 1, and here common difference 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, common difference is 2. We know that the nth term of the AP is Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is 1 plus n minus 1, D is 2. 1 plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 1. This is Tn. Next consider second terms, second factors of the denominator 2, 4, 6 and so on. 2, 4, 6 and so on. This is also AP. Here first term is 2, common difference 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, common difference is 2. 2 plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2, these two cancel, Tn equals 2n. Therefore nth term of the series is first term, that is 2n minus 1, nth term of the first factor, second nth term of the second factor, 1 by 2n minus 1 into 2n. Therefore series is summation 1 runs from 1 to infinity 1 by 2n minus 1 into 2n. Now applying the order test, that is in the numerator there is no nth term, so write 1. In the denominator highest power of n is 2n into 2n, 4n square. Here power of n is 2, n square. Don't write the coefficients, so write only n square, or n into n is n square. Here this is of the form summation 1 by n power p. P is 2. 2 is greater than 1. So the given series is convergent. Note, when summation an and summation bn satisfy the conditions of P series test, they are said to be of the same order. And we write summation an equals order of summation bn. This test is called order test. Okay. To know whether summation an is convergent, we have to compare summation an with another series of the same order, and this series summation bn can be determined as bn equals highest degree term in n in the numerator of an divided by highest degree term in n in the numerator of an. Okay, I'll explain this through the example. Example, root 2 by 3 into root 4 plus root 3 by 4 into root 7 plus root 4 by 5 into root 10 plus and so on infinity. Okay, here consider the factors in the numerator are 2, 3, 4, root 2, root 3, root 4 and so on. Tn equals, here I have considered only 2, 3, 4 and so on. So 2 plus okay, 2 plus n minus 1, common difference is 1. 2 plus n minus 1 is n plus 1. Now consider the first factors in the denominator 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, Tn equals a plus n minus 1 into d. 3 plus n minus 1, d is 1. 3 plus n minus 1, that is n plus 2. Consider next factors, second factors in the denominator 4, 7, 10 and so on. Okay, Tn equals 4 plus n minus 1 into d. 7 minus 4 is 3. The common difference 10 minus 7 is 3. 4 plus 3 into n, 3n minus 3. 3n, 4 minus 3 is 1. 3n plus 1. Therefore nth term of the given series, first write numerator nth term is n plus 1. Here we have square roots, so square root of n plus 1. Denominator terms n plus 2. Second terms are square roots, therefore square root of 3n plus 1. This is nth term. Now applying the order test, that is order of summation. Here in the numerator order of n is root n. In the denominator order of n is highest degree term in n is root n. This one, bn equals highest degree term in n in the numerator divided by highest degree term in the that the highest degree term in n in the denominator of an. Okay, here root n, here n root n, n root n, these two cancel, 1 by n, here 1 by n power p, p value 1, this is of the form summation 1 by n power p, p value 1, therefore by p series test the series is divergent. Okay, next example, 1 by square root of 1 square plus 1 plus 1 by square root of 2 square plus 2 plus 1 by square root of 3 square plus 3 and so on. Okay, here nth term direct, okay, I wrote directly here how 1 numerator 1 divided by square root of 1 square, first term 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square and so. So in general we can write n square plus as it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, we can write n. Therefore series is summation of 1 by square root of n square plus n. Now apply the order test. Applying order test to this, we can write order of summation. Numerator there is the term 1, here highest power of n is square root of n square, square root of n square, root and square cancel, we have only n. Here also p value 1, the given series is divergent. Next example, 3 by 2 plus 4 by 9 plus 5 by 28 and so on. Okay, this is the given series. Okay, this can be written as 3 can be written as 1 plus 2, 2 can be written as 1 cube plus 1, 4 can be written as 2 plus 2, 9 can be written as 2 cube plus 1, 5 can be written as 3 plus 2, 28 can be written as 3 cube plus 1 and so on. Okay, nth term of the series, I wrote directly 1, 2, 3 and so on, n. 2, 2, 2 is common, so plus 2, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and so on, so I write n cube plus 1, 1, 1 is common, 1. The series is summation Tn equals summation n runs from 1 to infinity n plus 2 divided by n cube plus 1. Applying the order test, highest power of n in the numerator is n. Here highest power of n is n cube. N cube. N by n cube is 1 by n square. Here is of the form summation 1 by n power p. P value 2. Hence the given series is convergent.